Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Asya, and in this video I wanted to fill 2 sketchbook pages and draw forest animals. So here's my sketchbook I'm currently using. I wrote down which autumn animal I wanted to draw, and after that I searched for some references on Pinterest because I don't know from imagination how the body will look from the different animals, and it is easier for me to draw from pictures. These are some references I downloaded, and I will decide which photograph I will use for this drawing page. I'm using my watercolors to color the animals, and I will show you my materials from time to time. So here's the first animal I draw, and it is a red fox sitting in the leaves. I like to sketch my characters or the things I will colored after that. So you can see my mechanical pencil I'm always using for sketching, and my eraser pen. I decided to draw some animals because I am drawing always characters or humans, but I would love also to draw more animals, to learn to draw it by myself, and maybe with less help or without erasing a lot. Here I'm sketching the second animal. I decided to draw a fox again. I liked the other fox picture a lot and wanted to fill it also in this page that I have a sitting and a standing fox. Let's get to the next sketch. Here's the photograph from a squirrel in autumn. I started this sketch with the head, and after that I drew the body pose and the fluffy tail. Sometimes I'm struggling with the head perspective from animals, but I like this perspective, and it is pretty similar with like in the picture. So here I'm starting to draw the deer. I decided to draw the deer kid only because I didn't have enough space on this drawing page. And I wanted to say that the pose from the kid is the pose I like more than the other one. I'm adding the finished touch to the sketch to make the deer recognizable. I use a kneadable eraser to erase the line sketches that it has less opacity. I will use watercolors to color over my sketch. I also use a tissue paper and 3 different brushes. For the drawing I will use a lot of orange, brown, black, green, pink or purple tones. I don't like my color palette. I always use the same palette and don't like it to clean it, because after cleaning it, I know that the next time I use my palette it will look the same, that it does not make a difference than before. The other thing is that I can reactivate the watercolors again with adding more water. I have another palette from my acrylics and I love it to peel it off. As you can see here, I mixed the colors like ochre with green or orange with brown, that the drawing look more realistic. I used the same colors for the second fox. It could be the same fox in other pose. I decided to draw behind or next to the animals some leaves, grasses or trees to make the drawing look better and give it a warm atmosphere. Like I said before, I was thinking about drawing animals with autumn vibes, and that's the reason why I decided to color these pages with the colors I chose. I am coloring the base with light colors, and after that I am adding shadow to the colors. Here I am drawing the base color with a light orange. As you can see here, I don't draw the colors in one line. I wanted to draw in different directions that the fur is recognizable. After adding the base color and coloring with a darker orange tone, I added a brown orange tone to add different colors to make the drawing brighter and more realistic. As you can see here, I'm always playing with the colors, and I like to add a lot of colors before I finish my drawing process. I want that my drawing looks semi-realistic, like my art style it is. You can see a small difference between the realistic photograph and my finished piece. If you would like me to draw other animals, please write me below in the comments. I decided to use my Fineliner number 5 to draw over the lines that you can see where the different parts of the animal starts, like an example at the deer where the tail and the hind leg starts. So at this point I like to define the different parts and the different things you can see in the picture. I don't want to color the eyes with watercolors because the eyes are small, and I thought that when I am adding the color it would be too much, and in my brain I had the idea to draw it with colored pencils. As I drew over the lines, I wanted to go with the flow, and I don't draw in one line. It looked more fluent, and you can see the fur better. I like this drawing page a lot, but I was not happy with the saturation that I decided to add colored pencils to my drawing. I do that a lot to make the drawing look better and brighter and give it a finished touch. At this point I use a lot of orange, yellow, green, pink, brown and gray tones. I started with dark colors because I did a lot of bright colors as I used my palette. After that I decided to draw with light color pencils to mix the colors. So I really like the brightness of the grass and the leaves. You can see that I added a lot of light orange. I used a few brown tones to add shadow and lightning to the deer kid. I used 3 different green tones and I love the way it looks. I also added the light green to the grass next to the fox. Before I finished my drawing process, I decided to add blue heaven color to the background behind the deer and the fox. I made sure to paint the blue colors lighter and darker to add a realistic effect. Here you can see the finished animals I drew in my style for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can like this video or subscribe my channel. Which one is your favorite animal drawing? Write me down in the comments. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram or TikTok at Drawn by Asya. And see you next time.